welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Sorry, this is on my webcam. Hope you guys can hear me. It's late at night. It's literally like 12:30. Yeah, it's 12:30. I just want to explain what this video is. It's super late. It's almost a month old. But basically, I didn't really film that much my last week in Tifton. You'll see like a little clip, and you'll see a couple things I got from my apartment, me moving in, and my first week of school, but I didn't do a very good job at filming. So yeah, I just wanted to put this up anyways, just to have the memories to look back on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm editing my last couple weeks, the vlogs from that. They're super random because I've been sick, but I'm feeling better. I'm getting back on track, and so there'll be some super fun vlogs coming, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe. Okay guys, it's later in the day. I gotta do this quick before my camera battery starts to die. Sorry I look bald. We went and did a little bit of shopping, and I was gonna show you guys the prints I ordered a couple months, it was probably like a month ago now, honestly. And we were trying to get some photo frames for that, but they didn't have any that we liked. But here's the prints. It just says NYC on a little cab, and it's a girl with a camera. And then I just got this like wine champagne print. All these are from Society 6, and I'll link them down below. Lave and Rose, which is one of my favorite songs like ever. And then it just says time for sunshine. So I gotta get those framed whenever I get to Stillwater. But yeah, I just want to show you guys those. And I left like the majority of my stuff there. I also got 2 wine glasses, but they are packed up already. So it's just like a couple things. I got this rose gold like paper towel holder. I got, these were on sale. I thought they were kind of cute, funky fresh. They're just champagne flutes, and they're kind of like iridescent. I've got this like funky design to them. They're on sale for like $4, so I got them. Plus I want to make like get a bar cart to do like a coffee / bar cart. And then I got random stuff. I got a new shaker bottle because I needed one. I always need them. I'm always making like smoothies and protein shakes. I got some more. This is also Rachel Zoe. They're just a set of like diamond earring, not actual diamonds, but like sterling silver. I don't know if you guys can see them. I don't know if this is focusing because of my hand. Like I said, not a beauty YouTuber. Yeah, still not focusing. Sorry guys. I also got some sheets, which they're in the wash, but I'll put a picture right here. They're just the dotted like Kate Spade white sheets. And then very random, but I also got this dish rack. It comes with this. I want to try this because it like is supposed to drain off into the sink instead of being like, oops, instead of being like just a what's the word, like a fabric one. So yeah, anyway, I also ordered some pots and pans today on Amazon. So yeah, just basic things. I don't know if people are gonna enjoy watching this or not, but yeah. So yeah, it is 5 o'clock. I'm going to order me and my family some food, and then I'm gonna go hang out with my brother, and then I'm gonna finish packing, and then I really have to grind tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna go say bye to another one of my friends, and that's about it. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Okay. Hello, party people. Do I look this horrible in real life? Yes. Do I care? No. Okay guys, what's up? It's moving sort of day. It's Thursday. We were supposed to leave super early to get to drive all the way to Stillwater, but it is 10 o'clock and we are only at the lake because my dad left some stuff up here. He forgot that he needed his suitcase. So yeah, we're stopping in Arkansas to stay with Jana, Clint's, and Tifton, as you guys I think saw yesterday. I don't remember if I recorded out there or not, but anyway, yeah, I'm sad, but I got all my crying out last night. Hopefully, I literally bawled the entire way from where my brother's staying all the way into town, which is like 20 minutes. But yeah, no shame, I'm already homesick. So yeah, I will talk to you guys, update you guys on the way. Right now we're listening to some drive-by truckers and we're just sitting in the car waiting. So
on the bus, Gus. You don't need to discuss much. Just my favorite game, Gus. And get yourself for me.
okay guys, what's up? I'm officially in my room. I moved in like yesterday, or my new apartment, and I was gonna show you a quick like semi before, but not really because I've halfway moved in. But yeah, we'll just show you. So you walk in and there's the door, there's mom, say hey. That's my room, and then this is the living room. It's super big. Then we have like this area over here. Then here's the kitchen. And here is, this is the closet. It's huge. Of course, I'll do like a full like tour when I'm done setting everything up. And here's just like the pan of the bedroom, and then here's my bathroom. So yeah, anything you'd like to say?
It's a great place. Go Pokes. Glad to be back in Stillwater.
Choo choo. Okay guys, I look a mess, but it's the first day of class. I'm about to be on the way to class. I am so tired. There's construction outside of my window, and so I woke up at like 6:30 or 6:45 and just like laid in bed for a couple hours. But yeah, I didn't have any groceries really, so I came to Starbucks and I thought I'd show you guys. I just got vanilla sweet cream cold brew and a reduced fat turkey bacon sandwich, which is like my regular order. But yeah, I did wear my mask to go in there and everything. But yeah, so I'm just super tired. I have class 9:30 to 10:15. and no, 9:30 to 10:20. Is that right? I don't know, whatever. And then I have at 12:30 to 1:45, and then I have an appointment with my therapist at 2 to 3. And then I have to go run errands because I don't have any groceries. I have to get some stuff from the bookstore. Sorry. I have to do something else. I can't remember. But yeah, I'm literally so tired. But me and my friend Jeanette went and got dinner last night at Mexico Joe's. I'm literally in front of Mexico Joe's. There it is over there. If you go to Oklahoma State, then you know, it's so good. They have the best food. But yeah, anyway, so it is 8:59 right now. I'm going to just chill, eat my breakfast. I just got off the phone with my parents. They just left yesterday afternoon, so they're only in Arkansas. But yeah, anyway, okay, happy first day of classes. Sorry I look so rough. I really put minimum effort into my look today. But yeah, I'll talk to you. Am I zoomed in? Yeah, I am. I was like, why is it so close? Okay. Anyways, it's Thursday, August 20th, August 19th, August 20th. I have class in a little bit. But yeah, I was just gonna kind of talk and catch up. Sorry I didn't really vlog at all this week. It's been a very like weird, hectic week. But look what I just picked up. I'm so excited. I got an iPad and I got a case for it. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. They didn't have like a really good selection. So yeah, anyway, so I'm going to set up the iPad and unbox it, and then I'll show you guys, and then I am going to start class. So yeah, super fun things. But after a while I'm gonna come back on and kind of debrief, tell y'all how my week went, and I'm for sure gonna film next week. Sorry. But yeah, okay, talk to you guys in a second. What's up? I just got out of class. Well, actually I got out of class like 15 minutes ago, but please don't copyright me, YouTube. It's 10:35. I'm not at Starbucks. I'm in the parking lot beside Starbucks. that's connected to like the grocery store, because the Starbucks line is so long. I don't know if it's because everyone's back or like, and they're not used to it, but the Starbucks line has been so long, and I waited in line for like 30 minutes. It was like 2 days ago. So yeah, I decided it'd be easier just to order. But anyway, yeah, I just got a reduced fat turkey bacon, and I got a new drink like I wanted to try. It's just an iced coffee with coconut milk and like sugar-free syrup or something, or maybe I just got stevia in it. But yeah, it's Friday. I actually have a lot of homework I have to do. I'm about to go to the building like all my classes are in, to go to the computer lab, because I need to print something and work on something, and yeah, I'm just gonna go there for a little bit, just because I don't want to like sit anywhere for long, and it's like never busy because of COVID. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm super tired. My sugar went low in the middle of the night, and so I didn't really sleep that well after that happened. And so yeah, but this weekend's literally, I think I'm gonna hang out with my roommate tomorrow, and then the rest of the weekend I'm just gonna continue like getting stuff for my apartment like organized, and I'm going to maybe go to the city, and I think I'm gonna have brunch on Sunday with one of my friends. But yeah, that's about it. This week has been like super hectic and crazy. That's why I haven't vlogged anything. I honestly like just feel like super disgusting. I just like went from like working out like twice a day and like riding bikes with my dad and everything, to coming here, and I don't really feel safe using the gym at my apartment, because a lot of people that I've seen around like aren't wearing masks and stuff,